Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have two lenses from Canon RF, which is the RF 16 and RF 50mm. So in these two lenses guys, we have control focus. So either you will use the focus, which is the autofocus, or control, which is this control ring. So I'm gonna show you how to use this control ring. So without further ado, again, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that this will be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now guys. So here we have the Canon R50. I'm gonna show you. Let's go for menu. Again, I attached already the 60mm and I put in the control mode from the lens. Oh, okay. So from one, okay. Yes, on this corner guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the 6th menu. Okay, you can see the customized control ring. Yeah, in R50 you have only one option, which is only from the lens, but in the bigger camera I'm gonna show you that also have a different option, but this one we have only in the control ring. So you have control ring, exposure compensation, or you can, yeah, you can change from exposure compensation, change shutter speed, aperture priority, ISO, flash, shutter speed, Kelvin, white balance, picture style, autofocus area, and so on guys. Yeah, Kelvin and off. You can turn off if you don't want to use. And for example, I'm gonna use the aperture priority. Yeah, so when you control the ring, okay, press the wrist button and half press button, and now you can change your aperture from your lens. See, just press the shutter button, and you have now fully control from your aperture, uh, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna show you guys from the bigger cameras. So guys, I have the Canon RF 50 1.8. Yeah, with the I put in relay control focus. Yeah, we have the Canon R6 Mark II. Yeah, Canon R6 Mark II. Let's check the menu. Go for menu settings. You have customized dials. Go with the same settings but customized dials, and you have here your selection. And so I go down for the lens. Yeah, just controlling from the lens. Okay, then you can set all similar with the R50. White balance, the aperture, and focusing, ISO, and Kelvin, and so on. Guys, so this is how you're gonna use this control ring from the Canon RF 51.8 and the Canon RF 16mm. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today's tutorial. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And again, if you want to check the price and availability of these lenses and Canon cameras, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yeah, hanggang dito lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.